Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to calibrate and use the Vernier height gauge. This is not a stereometric tutorial, it is a phase 2. It's a little bit cheaper brand. But we do have to calibrate the scale, the Vernier scale down the middle. So the way we do that, we want to make sure that 0 and 0 at the bottom on the left are lined up exactly. Not close, but exactly. So we're going to loosen this and see how the scale slides up and down. So I'm going to put my bifocals on and I'm going to look and I'm going to put it right on 0 and hold it there. It does have a fine tuner on it if you want to fine tune it. And we can probably bring that down, use the fine tuner a little bit, but we'll just tighten it up right there. And that looks very good. And you can see right there, 0 on the plate, 0 on the sliding scale are exactly lined up. So that's what we're looking for. That's how we calibrate it. And make sure you don't just pick one up and assume that it's calibrated, because the sliding scale has to be adjusted. Okay? Now what we're going to do, we're going to measure our part. And you do want to adjust it while it's on the surface plate all the way down, obviously. So we're going to check our part. Bring it down nice and smooth on the part, and I can see right here that we're at 1 inch, and it looks like 500 in each tick mark or graduation between the numbers here, between the inches, counts for 50 thousandths. So it's 1 inch, 500, and 50 thousandths, maybe 53. So that would be 1 inch, 553 thousandths on the inside. Now you're going to have to read metric as well. Now this metric side is graduated in centimeters and we want millimeters. So where there's a 1, that's really a 10. So it's 10, 20, 30, 39. We're not quite to 40 yet, because that 0 on each side is a reference line. That's what we're looking for. So we have 1 or 10, 20, 30, 39, point, and then I'm looking to see what lines up on the plate with the scale, and it looks like about 72. Now these on the right side, if you see right here, it's going to read in 200ths of a millimeter, so it's going to be 2468 in between these numbers on the plate, so it's going to be 39.72 millimeters. So that's how we read this, okay? So when you do calibrate this, I'll get it a little closer. You can see on the back we've got an adjuster and one that we tighten down here. And when we loosen that, you see the scale moves up and down. You've got to make sure that when you calibrate it, it's all the way down. You can lock it if you wish. Bring it over. And then what you want to do is make sure that the 0 on the plate and the 0 on the scale are lined up exactly. If you don't, every reading you get is going to be wrong. And then you can tighten it up, or you can use the fine tuner, which doesn't work real well. I just usually tighten it up. But now 0 on the plate and 0 on the scale are lined up perfectly. Okay, good luck with that one. Thank you.